I'm going to show you how to make shortcuts really quickly so you don't have to click around your folders. So here I'm just going to go to developer and I'm just going to run this macro, and it's going to ask me like the path where I want to paste my shortcut. So I'm going to choose the path, and then I'm going to write the nickname for my shortcut to whatever I want it to be, and then let me just go get like the path that I want to paste. So I'm going to paste the path, press OK. So now like I'll have like a set list box filled with all the different folders that I could potentially save shortcuts into, and then this just goes wherever I need it to. So all I really need is the path, and then I could click my paths in the list box, and then I can nickname it whatever, and it'll appear over here as whatever. And I could add different folders to the list box here. So if I go to developer, view code, and in my user form here, I basically have a list box, and down here I have something called funds, and basically I went to view, I clicked on the user form, so I did insert and user form, and I went to view toolbox. Over here I clicked on list box and I drew this out. I clicked on the list box, and then over here in the properties menu I went to view and properties window. Down here I wrote next to row source, wherever that is. Oh, I had to, whoops. Let me go to toolbox, click, and then row source I wrote funds. So over here on my Excel I highlighted a certain amount of range or a column, and then I typed in funds, and that became a name that I could reference in the row source. So over here under data or view or formulas, you have name manager. So here's the funds, so I can edit it and make it longer to be like T1 to T10, and you could basically change the name of it if you need to, and or you could just make it the entire column. So yeah, that's a quick way to basically load up a user form and create quick shortcuts with it. And if you have like this macro saved, and you can pull it really quickly and save down your shortcuts without having to navigate all around.